Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the heart using Python, right? So let's get started. I'll open my IDLE. Yeah, so this is my Python shell. So here I will select a new file. So let's start the code. So before that, in this video, in this program, I'm going to use a Turtle library. So let's import the library known as Turtle. So this is a library. So it's a pre-installed. By default, it is installed in the Python shell. So next, we have to select a background color of the heart. For the heart, I will select total dot bg color. That is what background color as I'll select black. You can choose any color. So here I will select black. Next, we want pen size. For that, so I will type total dot pen size as 2. All right. So next, so here I'm going to call a function known as curve. So curve is my function. So I define my function here. Then let's start the program from here. So here I'm going to use a for loop. So for I in range 200, close it. Then I will select total dot right is equal to 1. Fine. So similarly, for the forward, I'll select total dot forward. Sorry, yeah, forward. So I will select here. Let me select 1. So I'll change a little bit program over here. I'll make it as 1. Fine. So next, so we want to select the speed of our total. So let me select total dot speed that is equal to 0. Let it be very slow. So then only we can understand. Fine. So next, so total color. Our hot background is black, but I want the surrounding should be red color and inside it should be filled with the pink color. Right? Let me select a color. So I will select total dot color. So I will select red and pink. Right? So red is my edge. Then I will select pink inside of the heart. All right. So next, so till now we selected background color and we started the curve, then speed as well as color of our heart. Next. So now we have to begin our total. For that, I will select total dot begin. Yeah, begin underscore fill. It should be fill. Next, I will select total. So because we are importing the total library, so total dot left, it should be around 140. Let me select 140. Next, total dot forward, forward, yeah, forward. So here I will select 0.65. Yeah, 65. Let me see what will happen. So next, I will call my function that is what? A curve. Fine. So half of the heart is done. Next, we'll finish the full. So again, here I will select so total dot left. I will select 120 over here. Next, again I will call my function that is what curve. So let me highlight this one, then only we can understand easily. So I'm calling twice my function, that is what curve. Next, so total dot forward, just a second, forward. So here I'll select level 1.65. Next, so next I'll select total dot end fill and underscore fill. So here we started and I'm going to end here using the end fill. Then we have to hide the total. After completing my design, the total should be hide. So for that I'm going to write a simple code over here, that is what total dot hide total. So it will hide after finishing the design, so it will disappear. So this is my program. So here twice I'm calling a function, so here I will highlight so better than you can understand. So this is my function, and here also this is my function. All right, so here I'm defining the function, so twice I'm calling, here I'm hiding the total. Okay, fine. So let me save this file. Go to the file, select save. So here I will select a name as 12345. Save it. Alright. So now we can run the program. For the running, I'm going to run option, and here I'm selecting run module. Let's see what will happen. Yes. Now as you can see here it's starting. So I selected the edges. The curve should be red. Inside it should be pink. Right? Let me see what will happen. Yes. So finally our edge is red color and inside it's filled with the pink, as well as background is black. So I told you here I have selected black so that we are getting black over here, and total color we are selecting red as well as pink. See over here we have a red and inside it's filled with the pink. So this is all about this video. I hope this is helpful. For the more videos, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.